Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Solapur location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available for digital sales executive in Devilent Corporation. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates should be prospecting, lead generation and development of new accounts, secure online meetings with high-level decision makers and influencers, engaging in a consultative model to understand and capitalize on client needs, and work closely with head of sales on presentations and pitches. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should have proven experience as digital marketing executive or a similar role, and the skills and experience in creative content writing and analytical mindset and critical thinking, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills required, and the candidates should be graduate in BSc or BA in marketing or a relevant field is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for sales marketing executive in Hindustan Infomedia and Z. Coming to the job responsibilities, like to meet vendors, explain product and services, boost sales, onboard vendors or clients through paid subscriptions, handling objections, and finding new prospects and follow up with existing clients, and generating new leads and cold calling. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the requirements, like the candidates should have 3 years experience or 0 years of marketing experience, and coming to the pay scale, it will be up to 18k and plus performance based incentives will be there. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for academic content writer in Wizcroft Publications, Media and Distribution. Coming to the job description, they are looking for subject experts for academic content development for UG and PG programs like BCom, BBA, MSc Maths and MA English. And here one note is also given: those who are expert in the field and are interested only can apply for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Publicity Port. They are looking for digital marketing executive. Coming to the skills required, like they are looking for an experienced digital marketing expert, and the candidate should have good experience of Google and Facebook ads, and should have sound experience in a variety of industries like e-commerce, real estate, and international real estate, automobiles, and many more, and should be good at creating ad copies and be creative and learn new techniques. These are some skills required for this job role, and recommended good laptop with good internet speed. And coming to the job type, it will be full time, and freshers also can apply for this job role. And coming to the salary, it will be 12,000 plus to 17,000 plus per month. Coming to the education required, like a bachelor's degree is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in IQ Technology. They are looking for telemarketing executive. Coming to the job type, it will be full time, and freshers are also eligible for this job role, and it is walk-in. And salary will be 5,000 to 6,000 per month, and it is a day shift, and the supplemental pay will be yearly bonus. And coming to the education, it will be bachelor's degree is preferred, and experience will be 1 year is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for lab technician in Solapur in Indira IVF hospital. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates should have knowledge of all sperm function tests including sperm count, sperm motility, sperm morphology, sperm vitality testing using HOS test and using nigrosin staining techniques, and knowledge of special semen parameters which includes sperm DNA fragmentation test, and the candidate should have knowledge of sperm washing techniques for IUI, IVF, ICSI or testicular sperms, and swim up technique and double density gradient technique and sperm sorter technique, platelet rich plasma and preparation technique, etc. These are some skills required for this job role. Coming to the job type, it will be full time and salary will be 8,000 plus to 28,000 plus per month. And it is a day shift, and bachelor's degree is preferred for this job role, and 1 year experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for MBBS doctor NTPC in Ziquitiza Health Care Limited. Coming to the job type, it will be a full-time or a contractual or a temporary, and salary will be up to 70,000 per month, and it is a day shift, and supplemental pay will be overtime pay. And coming to the experience required, like a minimum 1 year of experience, like internship is not considered as work experience, and they are looking for the experienced candidates in a physician, and total work will be 1 year is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Last one, there is a job opening available in Ziquitza Healthcare Limited. They are looking for doctor or pediatrician. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, like assess and treat the medical conditions affecting infants, children and young people admitted in MMU. And coming to the desired candidate profile, like the candidate should be graduate in MBBS, and coming to their salary, it will be 65,000 to 70,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.